Hello and welcome, or welcome back, as the case may be. And where you are is in my five episode video series entitled Career Tripwires. And in this particular series, we talk about the top 5 things that middle-aged men do wrong when it's time for a professional change. Today is the third episode, and episode 3, we're going to talk about how many middle-aged men give their first available energy to their resume and or their LinkedIn profile when it's time to start looking. And I really, really recommend against that. One of the things I've been seeing on LinkedIn, based on many of the recent layoffs, in the hundreds of thousands of people, is how people react to being displaced. And it's open networking. It's please help me out without any context at all. And it's here's my resume. If you know anybody that you want to give it to, please do. It's just it's random and transactional. It's ineffective. It's frustrating, and you probably haven't even had the time yet to even think about what you want to do next. This is your opportunity to think about what you want to do next. This is your opportunity to re-mold yourself if that's something that intrigues you. Don't pass that by. If you start sending resumes out and sending people to your LinkedIn profile before you've put thought into those two, well, document and social media, are they representative of you? Not just what you've done, but what you want to do. So these knee-jerk reactions to being displaced, or even if you just all of a sudden wake up one day and say, I got to get out of here, I got to do something else with my life. There's a lot of foundational work that I've alluded to in some of the other videos that's absolutely necessary. It'll make things more efficient. It'll make the journey more fun. It'll probably speed up the journey substantially. So don't just jump into your resume and your LinkedIn profile and start chucking it out there randomly without a plan. Okay. So hopefully that gives you pause, gives you something to think about. Certainly there's some techniques to kind of building that foundation, and I'll talk about some of them in future videos. But at the very least, don't just start randomly chucking stuff out there. It's not the way to go about looking for work. Hopefully this was helpful, and I hope to see you tomorrow for episode 4. Thanks. Have a great day.